Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video we will solve this equation. Here we have x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 equal 1 over 8. Okay, we will find this value of x. Okay, and first step we can add we can multiply this both side with 8. Okay, so we can write 8 times x power of 3, okay, plus x times x to the power of 2 equal 1 over a times a. Okay, so x to the power of 3 plus 8 times x to the power of 2 equal 1. Okay, so for 8 we can write 2 power of 3, okay, times x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 equal 1. Okay, now 2 okay, sorry. Okay, for this 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 3 plus okay, for 2 to the power of 3 is equal 2 times 2 to the power of 2, okay, times x to the power of 2 equal 1. Okay, for 2 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 3, we can write 2 times x in bracket to the power of 3 plus 2 times in bracket 2x to the power of 2 is equal 1. Okay, and now for 2x, okay, let 2x equal y. Okay, so you can write for this y to the power of 3 plus 2y to the power of 2 equal 1. Okay, and y to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 y to the power of 2. Okay, for 1 move the 1 to left side. Okay, so equal minus 1 equal 0. Okay, so we have 2 times y to the power of 2 in this. Okay, for 2y is equal y to the power of 2 equal plus y to the power of 2 minus 1. So for y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2, we can write y times y to the power of 2 times y plus 1. Okay, and for this you can write y to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 2. Okay, 1 to the power of 2 equal 1, or is equal 0. And for this, if we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equal a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so we can write for this y plus 1, okay, and y minus 1 equal 0. So we have double y plus y plus 1. We can write y plus 1 bracket y power of 2, okay, plus y minus 1 is equal 0. And we have two equation. Yeah, the first y plus 1 equals 0, and y to the power of 2 plus y minus 1 equal 0. Okay, so y plus 1 equals 0 and y power of 2 plus y minus 1 equals 0. For y plus 1 equals 0, we have y equal minus 1. Okay, for y power of 2 plus y minus 1, we can use the quadratic formula. Okay, for this y 1.2 this formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. Okay, for this a the coefficient of y power of 2 is 1. For b is coefficient for y is 2, and c is constanta negative 1. Okay, so for this formula, b minus 1 plus minus square root 1 square minus 4 times a times c minus 1 over 2 times 1. Okay, minus 1 plus minus square root 1 minus plus, okay, minus 4 times minus 1 plus 4 over 2. and we have minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, so look, the 2x equal y, and for this we have y equal minus 1, so we can check 2x equal minus 1. Okay, 2x equal minus 1, so we have x equal minus 1 over 2. Okay, and for y 1.2, for y 1 we have minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and y2 we have minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, and check the 2x equal y, so 2x equal minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and both side you can divide by 2. Okay, so we have x equal minus 1 plus 5 over 4. Okay, next for y point 2, 2x equal minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So we have x equal minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 4. Okay, so we have this answer for x equal minus 1 over 2, and x 2 minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 4, and x 3 minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 4. Okay, this for answer. Okay, thank you for watching.